Hello and welcome to another update video about Link. Link has moved a little bit higher yesterday, and I think it looks as if this third wave is now completed. That's however only wave 3 of C of 3. So the entire third wave is likely not complete. I'm talking about circle 3 here, which started on the 8th of August or 7th of August with a swing low that formed around $9.30. So what we're tracking here is overall a potential bullish structure, but to really get a confirmation that this larger degree wave 2 bottomed on the 5th of August, we need to see the price hold above support and form 5 waves. Yeah. So there is still some work to do, as you can see. The yellow scenario here, or the yellow structure at least, shows you the roadmap that tells us how a 5-wave move to the upside would look like. First of all, we'd like to get this 5th wave completed, which would be wave 5 of C of circle 3. Then we would need another 4-5 pattern, for which for this 4th wave, I will give you support once circle wave 3 has topped. So first of all, it is important to recognize that the move to the upside is likely a diagonal pattern. So we're not dealing with an impulsive pattern here. How can we determine that? It is not very straightforward, but the rally here that happened between, the 7th of August low and the 8th of August high, or the 9th of August high, that's looking like a 3-wave move, and therefore I'm labeling that as wave A of 3. Then here the B wave pullback. Also, this move down was very long, drawn out compared to this circle 2. So for a 1-2-1-2 setup, that's not that common. Yeah, I can't rule out that it's a 1-2-1-2 setup that would be even more bullish, but I'd rather warn and rather raise awareness and caution. So that's more important. We had recently this breakout above the key level here, the green line at 1085. I highlighted to you that if we get a break above this level, that could be a signal that it opens the door to a rally to $13.40. I think we see that right now. Okay, we haven't reached $13.40 yet, but that's why we're tracking support, to understand when the market is deviating from that structure. And I can take that green line out now. We don't need that anymore. Always like to keep the chart clean. And you can see that from this swing low that formed throughout the week here and on the 19th of August, yeah. I'm tracking wave B as a triangle. It could be something different. It could very well be that the B wave is here. So, that's a bit ambiguous down here, but it might possibly be even more bullish if there are more 1-2 setups here. But for now, I'm tracking this as wave 4 with one more high to come in wave 5 of C of circle 3. If it extends further, fair enough. You can't predict extensions. Third waves tend to extend. We just have to expect them. At the moment, micro support is $11.23 to $11.91. Looking at the microstructure, bit difficult to say what exactly it is. Maybe an A, B, C. So we might now be working on a B wave, but bear in mind these microstructures, they are not really suitable for trading. They just give you a rough idea of where we are, just a rough roadmap. Why do I think we might go a little lower? That's because we only really touched the 23.6 fib level, not even. So we might see a bit of a B wave and then a C wave down. We will see how it develops. For now, the focus can be on higher as long as we're holding the $11.23 level. And then to the upside, we need to watch 1341, 1426, and 1489. What would happen if we break below 1123? Then we have a very, very clear 3-wave move up. And yeah, we would probably then test 690. I would say at least the risk for that scenario will increase. Very important. We've now reached, did we reach the 100% extension? That's 1216. Yeah, so that's always resistance, right? Price couldn't get above it yet. Briefly, yeah, but couldn't sustain. But for now, there's no need to change the structure. You can even see, if we zoom in a little bit further, you can even see that in this 5th wave of wave 3, this is a nice 5-wave move up as well here. So it looks complete, this 3rd wave, and therefore I'm tracking this 4th now. We can add a standard resistance area to the chart. It is defined between 1226 and 1243. All it means is that if we get a sustained break above 1243, it's an early indication that wave 5 to the upside has started. That's the update about Link. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.